The effects of sequestration and the continuing resolution on our military personnel will be devastating, but on our civilians it will be catastrophic. These critical members of our workforce, they work in our depots. They maintain and repair our tanks, our aircrafts, our ships. They teach our kids. They care for our children. They provide medical treatment to all of our beneficiaries. They take care of our wounded warrior. They provide services and programs such as sexual assault prevention and suicide prevention, just to name a few. So let me be clear. The first, the second, and the third order of effect on sequestration will be felt in the local commands and will be felt in the local communities all over the United States and clearly all over the globe. This is not a Beltway phenomenon. More than 80% of our civilians work outside of the D.C. metro area. They live and work in every state of the Union. If furloughs are enacted, civilians will experience a 20% decrease in their pay between late April and September. As a result, many families will be forced to make difficult decisions on where their financial obligations lie. Key benefits, such as life insurance benefits, health care, and retirement, will generally continue.